Hey guys, Devmitra one more time. A very warm welcome, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my career awareness series, I have tried to provide you the best knowledge about your career journey, how you can build your career, how you can prove yourself, how you can make yourself a better professional person. In my career awareness series, you can see I have tried to give you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have as well. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is, if you're a software engineer and you have 10 or 12 years experience, and after that you wanted to build your career as a management, or you wanted to switch your career in a management. So what are the things you need to do, or is it right choice for you, or is it a right decision for you? Right now I'm trying to give you the guidance about it. So let's get started, guys. So if you're a software engineer and you have completed 10 years or 15 years in software development, that means you're a senior software developer. Okay, so in that process, you are already accustomed with that process. But if you wanted to switch your job, that means you are not happy with your position. So what are the skills you need to switch in management? The first thing, if you like management, if you can manage a project, if you have that skill, good communication skills, if you like people, okay, so if you know how to communicate with people, how to negotiate with people, then these are the several skills set. If you have, then you can move to be a manager, you can move for a managerial post. But in this situation, if you are a senior software engineer, you have already worked in software development for 10 to 15 years, that means you are a candidate who has the basic knowledge of programming, as well as you are a domain expert. You can be a architect, you can be a end-to-end project creator or a designer also. So if you are holding these positions in your domain, that time you need to focus on that thing, that whatever salary you are getting, the salary scale is very high, guys, because after having that all 10 years experience, your job position is likely very high. So that time the salary you are getting, it can be 30 lakhs, it can be 20 lakhs, it can be 50 lakhs. So I would like to suggest you don't gamble with your money. If you have any plan that you wanted to switch your career in management, at first 10 years, you need to save some money, you need to secure your life. So whatever salary you are getting, try to save some money. I am not going to tell you that you can go and invest in these things or those things. Kindly find out the right way to uh, invest your money and secure your future. After that, you can take that big decision that I would like to switch in another domain, I would like to switch in management. And if you that time, if you wanted to do it, you can go for any management course, and you can do some management course, you can get some managerial skills, and that certification of management will help you to be a part of the management for that company. Okay, so if I go for an example, I can tell you that if you see the people, okay, that some famous people like Satya Nadella, you can see he has started his journey from the technical background. After having that technical knowledge, what he has done, he has completed uh, uh, a management degree from some business school. And after working in Microsoft, after having the 19 years experience, he got the chance to be a CEO of Microsoft. But before being the CEO of Microsoft, that person was working in managerial things like project management and handling all the things. After handling all the things, the when a company has thought that he has that capability to do the technical thing as well as the management thing, they provide them the opportunity to be the CEO of Microsoft. Okay, so if you are thinking that you are capable enough to do strategic management, okay, if you have that capability to communicate with people in proper way, you can be a a management candidate. You can be a management professional. But at first, think about the money. You are getting the salary, maybe it can be 25 lakhs, it can be 30 lakhs. That is the stable salary of you. Because from being a senior person, the salary got, that time the salary got fixed. Whatever package you are getting, the package is fixed for you, so you can get the salary for 10 to 20 years more. So if you either you are going to face your passion, or either you are going to focus on your passion, or you need the stability. That thing you need to decide. Okay. And one more thing, that if you're a technical person, if you choose management as your domain after 10 years or 15 years, there is a huge scope that to be a part of a senior management of a company, because company always looks for the candidate who has the knowledge for technical as well as management skills. So you can take your decision as you wanted to do. What are the reasons behind a software developer wanted to move in managerial post? That is the, if you are not expertised in your domain, if you don't have proper domain knowledge, that time people think about to switch their career. So the challenge is here. If you are expertised in your domain, then you can work as a software developer in your company for long time. In such companies, they hire the candidate, for example, I can say that holocentric software development, they hired a 65 years old candidate. Okay. And he is working in that software development part. So guys, if you have the talent, if you have the knowledge, package doesn't matter. The only thing matters is what is your passion and why you wanted to switch in managerial post. Okay. In management thing. So guys, focus on that, and I think my video can help you to get the proper way. And after having 15 years experience, you can work as a software engineer. If managerial skill sets you have, you can work in managerial posts also. If you have both the knowledge, then that is beneficial for you, because company always try to take the people who has both of the knowledges. Okay. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. In PCS Global, we provide the training in Java full stack development, in Salesforce, in Java DevOps, in other technologies also. So our CELP project is going on. It's an on-job training project. So if you're interested in joining PCS Global, kindly communicate with me. I will provide you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have, and I will give you the details about how to join PCS Global. Our master classes are going on. You can join our master classes, our webinars, to get the first knowledge, whether you are able to do programming or not, whether you are able to do coding or not. And the most important thing, that in our monster technology, we are providing the live classes. You can go for the live classes also. From the classes, you can get the best knowledge. In my YouTube channel, there are so many videos. We have already trained more than 1500 plus candidates who is working in another companies, in another MNCs, in very successfully. You can go through my career journey series videos. In that videos, you can see how success speaks. Okay. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, and I have already told you, hit the bell icon, comment below. Stay safe, be healthy, be happy, and make others happy too. Have a very good day.